Okay, Miss Carline. How do you think you can be defended against the charges against you?
I mean, I could say I have anxiety, so I can't really work. I gotta make money somehow. I mean...
And what do you think your lawyer should concentrate on in order to best defend you?
Mental health?
Mental health?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's my biggest problem. Instead of my charges.
Okay. And you do realize that you would have to control yourself in the courtroom and not interrupt during the proceedings.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. And when is the only time you can speak out in the courtroom?
Well, if I'm on the stand?
And if your lawyer calls on you. So yes, to testify. What do you think would happen if you spoke out or moved around in the courtroom without permission?
Isn't that when you can, be held for contempt or something?
Yes.
Yeah.
You could be kicked out, you could be thrown in jail, or even fined. Okay. Do you have confidence in your lawyer?
I mean, he's a public defender, so, he's just doing his job, but are they really doing their job? So,
Just
not
doing his
really.
job? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't have confidence. Okay. Do you think he's trying to do a good job for you? Based on your interactions with him?
I mean, he's been nice or whatever, but, he's a public defender. Yeah, no.
All right. Okay. Do you agree with the way he's handled your case so far?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. If your lawyer decides not to have you testify, would you go along with him?
Most likely, he probably has a reason for it.
Most likely? Okay.
Probably don't want me to say something stupid.
Okay. Is there anything that you disagree with in the way your lawyer has handled your case? No? Okay. So, do you know the role of the defense counsel in the court? No. They're your lawyer. They're supposed to defend you, trying to keep you innocent.
I can't keep the two straight.
Yeah. Do you know what the prosecuting attorney does?
The opposite.
The opposite? Yes.
That would be
Trying to throw you in jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the judge?
The judge is there, 1, to moderate, and 2, to help make the final decision what's going to happen.
Yes. What about the jury?
They ultimately make the decision, and yeah.
Yes, they will decide if you're innocent or guilty. And what about you, the defendant?
To sit there quietly.
Sit there quietly and to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Yes. What about witnesses?
To tell what they think they saw or what to try to put me in jail.
Yes. Who is the only one at the trial who can call on you to testify?
My lawyer?
Yes. After your lawyer finished asking you questions, who can ask you questions on the stand?
The other lawyer?
The prosecutor.
Prosecutor.
If the prosecutor asks you questions, what is he trying to accomplish?
Get information out of me. Get me to tell the whole truth.
He's trying to find you guilty.
Yeah.
Trying to throw you in jail.
Yeah.
All right. And what were you charged with?
Identity theft, credit card fraud, and forgery.
Yes, you were. And is this a major or a minor charge?
Major. They might send me to prison.
Do you think people would be scared of you after learning about these charges?
No, probably not.
No?
No.
Identity theft?
I don't know.
You don't think they'd be a little scared?
They wouldn't want me around a computer.
Possibly.
But, if you're going to see someone out in public, I don't think you'd be scared.
Valid. If you're found guilty as charged, what are the possible sentences the judge could give you?
Years.
Yes, you're looking about 10 to 20 years.
Yeah.
Where would you have to serve such a sentence?
Women's prison.
Prison or jail.
Yeah.
If you're put on probation, what does that mean?
I know you can't leave the state. You have certain regulations. You have to like tell them your job and stuff. You have to meet with your what are they called?
Probation officer.
Probation officer.
Mhm.
All that.
Yes, that is all correct. What do you think your chances are of being found guilty?
We'll go. I mean, it's not 50-50. But I mean, there's a decent chance.
There's a decent chance you'll be found not guilty?
Yeah.
You sure?
On mental health. Yeah.
Okay. So just go ahead. Does the court you're going to be tried in have authority over you?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. How strong of a case do they have against you?
Fairly decent.
Fairly decent. Yes, they do. Okay. When and where did this all take place?
In my hometown.
Mm-hmm.
Elizabethtown.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, it did. What led the police to arrest you?
They confiscated my computer.
Mm-hmm.
They found some things.
Mm-hmm. Suppose a witness against you told a lie in the courtroom. What would you do?
Talk to the lawyer.
Yes, you would tell your lawyer. And is there anybody in your life who you think would lie about you on the stand?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And that is the end of our assessment.
Cool.
Congrats.
Maybe go to jail.